Akron Media Productions hand turkey contest. Our contestants have 5 minutes to make the best turkey. 3, 2, 1. Go. Tessa, what is your third favorite dinosaur?
So for my ranking, it's probably pterodactyl, velociraptor, and then T-Rex is my third.
Why?
They don't have arms, so like, what are the arms?
Valid. I love your answer. Hunter, what does Roy G. Biv stand for?
What?
In order. What does Roy G. Biv stand for in order?
Red, orange, yellow, green, indigo, violet.
Good job. Coco, what is Miss Cornell's favorite color?
I think red.
No, it's blue. Yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, our judges are gonna pick the best 3 turkeys. I'm here with Miss Cornell, Tyler, and Mr. Lardy. Mr. Lardy, who is number 3?
You know, this is a really tough choice, and we thought really hard about it. Ultimately, our third place pick was. We don't know.
It's Ryan Braves.
Right. Good job, Ryan.
Who is our second place winner?
Our second place winner is Jemmy Gem Necklace Hand Turkey.
It is Tessa's. Alrighty. And our number 1 spot.
Okay, you couldn't really tell. It's honestly it's neck and neck here, but we got the peacock here.
It is Mira's. All right, Mira, what inspired you to make a peacock hand turkey?
I don't know. I was talking with Kristen about it, and also I remembered how when we were younger, we had to make the hand turkeys look like they weren't hand turkeys. So this is my turkey that's dressed up as a peacock.
I love that.